beaus, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something to do with my natural hair. I know it's been a while. I've been just focusing on wigs. I know, yes, okay. Took all of that heat. I'm okay with it. So my hair is freshly washed. All I used afterwards was peppermint oil, castor oil, almond oil, and my Blue Magic Indian hemp. I got a fresh design. I was like really debating if to put shiny bumps, put it in a bun. Then I finally decided I'm just gonna put it into two. When I was younger, that was actually my signature look, like 2 pom-poms or 2 pom-poms in the front, 1 in the back. When your mama didn't have time to do your hair, so she would just do something quick, fast. That was mine. What was yours? So for this hair tutorial, all you're gonna be needing is some elastic band, a couple of combs, just to try out different things that will work for my head top, you know. I'm also gonna be using some gel, highly important, duh. So this is FREETRESS braid. It's not, well, it's a 3 in a pack, and it's in the color 1B.
Also pre-feathered, that's what I like about this
brand. And I wanted to try to braid coming down in the front. I'm gonna see how that all goes. I was hoping that it comes out good. So
I start off by parting straight down the middle, and I don't know why, but for some strange reason, like, my hair is soft itself, but the curls at the end, it just keeps matting, like, and I can't even comb through it. If anyone has a solution, let your girl know. Thank you very much.
By the way, it's Thanksgiving where I'm at. You know, I'm Canadian. So if you're watching and you're also celebrating in Canada, or you're coming up to spend the holidays with your Canadian family, or your Canadian family are coming to visit you, happy Thanksgiving. I'm trying something different. So I'll be braiding from here to the front. I don't know how it's gonna work, but it just came to me and I said, let's try it.
For those who wouldn't know, so I'm just splitting the hair into 2. I place the hair above or under each other, whichever makes sense to you. Then on one side, you're going to make that into 1, and you're going to leave the other side into 2, and that will be your 3-piece to start your braid.
So we have it like that.
This part is a bit tricky because you're braiding from behind coming to the front, so your handwork, it's a bit tricky. You kind of have to like visualize it. I don't even know how to explain it, but you kind of have to use your hand as a guide and eyes to accomplish this braid from back to front. So I'm going for a goddess braid look, which is why I braided the hair until about under my chin, let it loose, and then I took a small piece from itself and wrapped it around. Later on, I will show you how I secure that in place so it doesn't unravel.
So now, even when I put it up in 2, it still looks like, you know.
So with some Got2b gel, I'm simply just adding that to my hair to make it have a more slicker look, a slicker finish, and then I put it up into a ponytail. And as you can see, the braid looks really nice. Looks like it's coming from like in between the ponytail itself.
Super cute. Okay. All right, guys. So next side. I'm getting too excited right now.
So on the other side, I'm sectioning off my hair into 2. From the first section, I simply cut across from back to front, and then from the back, I take a little piece that will make like a little curve, and that's how I start my braid. That's like the foundation for my braid.
First of all, guys, this is not the proper comb to comb out your hair. I don't even know why I'm demonstrating such poor hair etiquettes on here. Like, why to comb, or I use my fingers if necessary. Oh God. But today I need something more made for it.
The same steps with the braiding hair as the first side will be the same steps you follow for this side, and then you do your braid as normal. I go on to gel it up the same exact way as I did the left side. Afterwards, I will be showing you guys how I create the bun. Simply using the braiding hair, you just split it into 2 halves. I'm showing you guys it's about the same length. Going through here again, I add some gel so it can have a slicker look. Taking one piece, I wrap it around the hair itself, and then I braid it into like a normal braid. After a while, when I get closer to like midway, halfway, I'm just going to twist it around itself and then twist it around itself, creating like a chiny bump type of look, and then securing it with some pins. And I repeat that step on the right side as well. I do want to mention that at the end, I realized that my left side was a bit bulkier, thicker than my right side. So, and I realized that obviously after I filmed and looked back at the playback. So I did go off camera and redo it. And don't worry if your natural hair is showing. You can always redo it to make it a way that you don't see your hair. You can always pull the braiding hair over and pinning it down in place. Some got to be glued. I'm just going over my sides, then passing a brush over it, because I will be tying it down throughout the night and my traveling. So once I remove the headpiece, my hair is laid. With some nail glue, I'm securing the ends of my braids so it does not unravel. So like I mentioned, I'm doing a goddess braid. So the curls I wanted with this look was loose curls. So it really helps to leave some space in between each wraparound as you go around your flexi rod to get those results.
Now, if y'all ever seen my first video with extensions in my hair and curling it, you guys will know how important a towel is, even though a towel was in that video as well. Because you do not want to get burned. Like, it's not cool.
So you want to have a bowl that you can dip your hair in with piping hot water. And I'm just using each flexi rod on each other to dip it in for about 20 seconds each. And then I go on to drying it off, and I leave it in until I'm ready to take it out on Carnival Day.
It didn't burn me this time. I did not burn myself.
Make sure everything stays down and laid. I just wrap my hair and it's off to bed until the next day, until I reach into Miami.
Alright, so today is a special day. It's Carnival in Miami 2K19. So my costume is green, red, and yellow, like the Grenadian colors, the Rastafarian colors. Some African flags have that color as well. So I have a whole bunch of jewels. I'm trying to put some in my hair. What you're gonna be needing is some glue. This will keep it intact for the day. You know what I'm saying, honey?
Some jewels. I have green, yellow, and red that I'll be using. There's circles, flowers in all of them.
Use my brush.
So this part is really simple, really fun, and easy. You're just going to take some glue, put it on the back of the gem, and stick it in the places that you'd like. I stick some in the back as well. I really wish I had more time to really go all out with my makeup and the gems in my hair, because this is something I love. If you guys follow me, you guys know I love the Soca Caribbean carnival culture. If you guys like this tutorial and would like to see more, let me know, and I will provide that for you. And then I'll show you guys after this how it all came out.
That is the definition of balance party. Hello! Do something crazy! Do something crazy! Do something crazy! Everybody feel energy! Do something crazy! Do something crazy! Do something crazy! Everybody feel energy! That's crazy! That's crazy! That's crazy! That's crazy! That's crazy! That's crazy! Everybody feel it! You got to your head! Last night I touched it! water. Got me feeling like the ocean. I'm under the wave now. No time to be here now. It's time to go brave. Ladies, white to the bass, white to the bass, 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 bass. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend over.